All right, I'm gonna be putting these seat covers on my 2020 Ford F-150. It's an STX, and we use it for work a lot. It has this nice velocity blue. So I got these that have this blue in here, and you know, it has the cloth leather, and look, it has the blue stitching. That's pretty cool. It's gonna really match, work well, and help protect the factory seats and give it that nice feel in, you know, an SXT, which is, or STX, sorry, which is like, you know, somewhat, you know, lower trim, but has like a good look on the outside. But it's very basic truck, basically like a dolled up XL. And what I really like is, you see they have over here, they show you each one. This is for the passenger side bottom seat cover, and you can see these use actual straps to adjust here. They don't use those weird hook and loops. They come with like extra little hog rings to put on. They have spots for the seat belt, and they have ties everywhere. So we're gonna see how easy it is to get installed. I'm just laying them out, letting them get a little more flexible, even though the sun went out. So it'd be nicer if it was a hot day to do that, but we will see how it goes. You can see in here, I got a lot of cleaning up to do. The dog rides in here, so I'm gonna clean these seats, and you can see why it's nice to put a cover on them ahead of time. Here are the seat covers all installed. You can see they're really nice. Has this blue, which matches our blue up and down it. Nice quilted design, and they're, you know, they got little perforated holes in them. It's all ventilated. Full coverage of the seats. You can see it gets dirty here. I need to attach this a little bit more, but they very easy to put in. They have nice buckles and snaps, and you can really cinch them up. They should not slide around at all. You can see how it wraps around down here. You can bring this actually, this should bring, so it goes down through here and around. So yeah, I'm still playing with how to do these. It also did come with a center console cover, but I already had this other one installed that my wife really likes. Headrest cover, you can see the slight, see the little blue stitching in there, which makes it fun. Passenger seat, and I especially like the back seat, which was super easy to put in. You can see it all there. Everything looks great. You can see here, and that'll be really nice, especially with the kid back there. You can put the car seat in. A couple wrinkles in the headrest covers, but I think those will smooth out as they get a little more pliable. You still have your airbag that they'll pop open because of it, so that all works. And the blue looks really nice, adds a nice touch. And I definitely recommend these. I had a different set in here previously, and these are higher quality and really work well, and I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.